Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log in WhatsApp with phone number. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to log in WhatsApp with your phone number, all you need to do first is tap on your WhatsApp app. Once you do this, you will end up in this page. So select a language of your preference and hit the agree and continue. Now simply type in your phone number and hit the next button. After this is done, all you need to do is simply tap on the continue button and allow if you want to give permission to your contact media. So after this, you need to now tap on restore button if you want to back up your data, or you can even skip this step and hit the next button. Now type in your name and hit the next button, and once the initializing is done, you will get logged in into your WhatsApp account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.